night is supposed to be a dream, but for some teens with chronic illnesses and other special needs, it's normally not a possibility, and that is until now. Michelle Soto, the president and founder of Wish Upon a Teen, is here to tell us about their Evening of Dreams. This is really, really a special event that you've been able to make happen. Tell us about what this will offer for terminally ill teens.
It's so important because we are trying to normalize the teenager's environment. That is our ultimate goal. And for teens who have chronic or life-threatening illness, they are unable to do some of the normal things that regular teenagers can participate in because of their illness. So for us, we're providing a safe environment with the Ronald McDonald House's help so that these teenagers can go and enjoy an evening just like everybody else.
And the great part about it, they start off with pampering.
Yes, they are able to come from 4 to 5:30 and get their hair and their makeup done, both boys and girls, and their dates. And then at 5:30 the prom will start, and it's going to be a wonderful evening of food and dancing and music and photography and flowers. And
all of this made possible from donations, people in their generous spirit coming
The community has just really been amazing. We're constantly getting phone calls, and so now all the teens that will participate are getting gift bags because we have so many.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So if they need a dress, they can go and get a dress?
Yes.
Where?
They can go to our website, wishuponateen.org, give us a call. We can set up an appointment. The girls can come pick up free dresses. We have gorgeous dresses right now. And the guys can pick up a coupon for President Tuxedo to pick up a tux for the evening.
You know, it's hard enough being a teen anyway. And then you have the whole milestone of prom.
Yes.
And of course, they're going through some incredibly painful treatment sometimes. At least they'll be able to forget about that for at least one night.
Absolutely. It's going to be a wonderful evening. We're really excited.
And you've done the spa days, you said in the past when we were talking during break, but this is the first time for prom. I mean, what do you imagine this will do for these kids?
We've already been getting just such great feedback from not only the teens but their parents. They're so excited that they get to have a day just for themselves. So this is one of our teens that we were able to help in Los Angeles after Spa Day.
Okay, so you did something similar in Los Angeles.
Yes.
And then we're able to start it here. That's wonderful. And you wanted everybody to know that there are still some spots open?
Yes, they are. They can go to our website, register. It is 100% free, so you just register to save yourself a spot.
And have you talked to some of these parents of these teens? I mean, what are they saying about this event? They must be incredibly grateful as well.
They are so grateful. They just are so appreciative that there is a safe environment and that they can feel comfortable because, you know, as a parent of a sick child, teenager, you don't necessarily want to let your teen too far away from you.
Right.
So this is a way for them to be close to a hospital in a very, very safe environment and have a wonderful time with other teenagers.
And to feel just like a normal teen for just one day, one night.
One night, exactly.
And that's June 8th, 4 to 8 p.m. at the Ronald McDonald House of Detroit on Beaubien. We'll put all that information on the Weekend Mornings page of Fox 2 Detroit. And thank you so much, Michelle, for joining us and telling us about your great event.
Thank you for having me here.
Marielle.